Hello, welcome to lesson number 2. This lesson, we I guess, formally begin our learning process with sociology of the aging. And what we need to do first is provide a theoretical foundation about sociology for the class. Not knowing in advance if any of you have taken sociology in the past, or not knowing your level of knowledge related to sociology, one of my responsibilities is to provide a introduction to sociology as well. So that's what we will do in this chapter, is basically do the best job we can to initially outline some of the concepts behind sociology and why sociology is unique and different, for example, from the fields of psychology. And I wanted to do that in a variety of ways in this lesson. First of all, we will be talking about the sociological perspective, which is, again, one of the main tenets of sociology, in terms that sociology is all about seeing the general in the particular, and seeing the strange in the familiar, and understanding how society impacts everyday choices that we make as individuals. In order to review those concepts, I have included the first chapter of a sociology textbook that you can either read online or download and print out, or read on your computer, save it to your computer, and so forth. It's an introduction to sociology. It's a recent public domain book that was published by Rice University at no cost to students. So occasionally we will be referring back to this particular book, but I will be providing you all the resources you do need. And as you have probably noticed, we do not have a textbook for this class. All of our reading materials will be either online or via journal articles, textbooks, and that type of thing. That's freely available to the public and to students. So this chapter is around 22 pages and provides a really good review of the concepts behind sociology. We'll also be looking at a significant amount of data and statistics this semester related to the aging population and our society and society's perception on aging. So I do want us to be good consumers of data and statistics. So one of the items we will be talking about throughout the semester is how do we tell if the research and the data and the statistics that we are reviewing is actually accurate and true. It's the old framework of just because it's in print or online, or just because we hear it in the newspapers, certainly doesn't make it true. So we want to be able to identify the most accurate information as possible, and then be able to think about what that means and apply that as best we can to society in general. So I've included a short New York Times article, as well as a short 7-page journal article from Earl Babby. Babby is one of the current leaders of teaching sociology in the United States. And he has this really nice article he calls The Essential Wisdom of Sociology. And this talks about his major points of what sociology is, and why sociology is important, and ways that we can apply sociological thought to daily life problems. After reading that Babby article, we have 2 additional videos, a short video on what sociology is, and another video on the sociological perspective, this perspective of seeing the world in a different way, of going beyond ourselves and trying to understand the plight of society that was fashioned by C. Wright Mills, my favorite modern sociologist. And you will note on the final pages of this lesson are a review of all the videos and readings we need to make sure we complete, but also some of the activities we will be taking care of in Blackboard, such as Rekey post and some other activities or options for us to be a bit more interactive in class beyond the traditional discussion board. So, hope everybody's doing well. Please take care. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'm certainly thrilled that we're able to kick off the class officially with this lesson in terms of the major course material.